Welcome everyone. You're chucking a grenade and it says lethal grenades not active for X seconds and your grenade is completely gone. So the reason why this happens, if you look at the bottom left, you can see the timer, and so you have to wait 10 seconds before you can actually chuck the grenades. But there's a specific way that, or just a little tip that you want to know first. So let me just show it. So what we can do is we can release the grenades once the 10 seconds passes instead of cooking it after 10 seconds. So I'm just going to start cooking now, and you can see 2, 1, and then when it shows 0, you can see the grenade released. I cooked it before that 10 seconds timer, and it was able to be released. And so that's way more beneficial, because if I wait for 10 seconds to pass, so I see 1 minute 15 cooked now, well, earlier I released the grenade at 1 minute 50. Right now, I'm only cooking it, so it's just going to take a lot longer. So cook the grenades around 7 seconds after the match begins, and then you should be able to release it when that 10 seconds passes, and it won't remove your grenade, it won't give you any errors. Now, real quick, YouTube don't promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.